Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to change your name on HyperPay Wallet's application. To change your name on HyperPay Wallet app, first of all, open the HyperPay application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account if needed. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now in the expanded menu, click on your username located at the top of your screen. This will then open up the profile section. Tap on the nickname drop-down and enter a new nickname for yourself or enter a new name for yourself. And finally, click on confirm. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your wallet's name successfully. So that's how super easy it is. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.